History and Culture, The Adventures of Viking Ships. In the heart of ancient Scandinavia, a mighty Viking ship named Skule set sail. The brave Skule and his crew embarked on an epic journey to discover new lands and forge alliances with other clans. Amidst towering cliffs and roaring waves, they navigated treacherous seas, battled fierce sea monsters, and braved freezing cold. The morning sun gleamed on the polished wood of Skule as Skule and his crew readied themselves. The sea roared beneath them, calling out their destiny. Each Viking checked their weapons and supplies before taking their place along the longship. The first day of sailing was filled with challenges, as a fierce sea monster rose from beneath the waves. Skule and his crew stood bravely, ready to protect their ship. They rowed furiously, dodging the creature's powerful attacks. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, they escaped its wrath. The second day of sailing brought them to an unknown island, shrouded in mist. Cautiously they approached the shore, unsure of what lay ahead. The crew disembarked and ventured into the dense forest, searching for signs of life or settlements. That night, the sky was alive with stars. The crew gathered around a crackling fire, sharing stories of their homes, adventures, and dreams for the future. Together they felt a sense of camaraderie that united them in their journey. On the third day, they stumbled upon a peaceful settlement, ruled by the wise Queen Freydis. The Vikings were welcomed warmly and shared their tales of adventures and valor. In return, they learned about the ways of this new land, expanding their knowledge and understanding. The days passed quickly, as Skule and his crew explored this new land. They forged alliances, learned valuable skills, and shared their own customs. When it was time to leave, they set sail once more, filled with memories that would last a lifetime. As they approached their homeland, excitement filled the air. They had not only survived, but also gained knowledge and experiences that would help strengthen their clan. The people cheered as Skule returned to its birth, eager to hear their tales of adventure. That night, the entire village gathered to celebrate their return and share their stories. Skule recounted every detail of their journey, from the terrifying sea monster to the peaceful settlement. The villagers listened intently, awestruck by their bravery. The next morning, Skule and his crew prepared for the challenges that awaited them. They knew that their adventures were not over, but had only just begun. With renewed determination, they set sail once more, ready to face whatever lay ahead. As they sailed, they encountered another sea monster. Fear gripped their hearts as the beast loomed before them. But this time, they stood together, united by their bond and knowledge gained on their journey. And just like before, they managed to escape its wrath. The Adventures of Viking Ships taught us that bravery and unity can overcome even the greatest challenges. Skule and his crew's journey reminded us that we too should be brave, explore new places, and learn from different cultures. May we always strive to expand our knowledge and understanding, just like them.